Nope. Testing.
Okay, without further ado, ship it.
How are you doing today? Good? Alright. Alright, so we built Shipit, and just to give more context on how we got the idea from is we've seen a lot of I guess software like Lovable or like Cursor who can basically one shot I guess like a whole entire web page, but now for designers we want to make it more customizable and have more freedom for them. Freedom to do whatever they want, and that's why we built Shipit.
Woo!
Yeah, so playing off that idea of more interactability with whatever AI is making for you, we made this as a Figma plugin. Who here knows Figma? Yes. Oh, okay, perfect. So we'll find out at the end whether or not it's actually useful.
Testing.
Let's see. So I have my demo Figma page open, and this tool pulls from an existing components library that was already made by like designers much better than us for. And this kind of overcomes one big issue with using AI for design, which is that it kind of sucks. Because it's just using like stuff off the web and it's too general. And so fitting our like very specific use case of a SaaS landing page, we're gonna see what it can do. So I say SaaS landing page because that's what the system prompt is telling our agent to do. And it's probably gonna start by giving us, okay, a top bar or like a menu bar for this landing page. And alongside any components we are clicking on, it's gonna give us like comments on that component, either summarizing what it added or telling us what it doesn't like about that component. In this case, it's saying, whoops, it's too tall. Oh, okay, I've never heard that one before. But
And just want to speak a little bit about the commenting section there. What we're doing is we're using tool calling from Figma MCP, and we're passing in the current context of all of the components on the page, and also the system prompt telling it, oh, you're the best designer, help me out, what's wrong with this component?
yeah, and I think my friend Shams can tell you guys more about the system prompt. This is actually really, I guess, ingenious and important to making our agent good at design.
So who here is familiar with Lovable? Okay, so a lot of you guys. So I'm not sure if you guys know, but a lot of these vibe-coded businesses, SaaS companies, they have their like system prompts leaked. So taking advantage of open source, we found the Lovable system prompt. But their system prompt, yeah, okay. But their system prompt is mostly for actually like coding and as well developing, but we're trying to mostly just streamline the design process. So we kind of like took their system prompt as inspiration and kind of like edited and iterated off on that until we got like a model that we liked. And then I guess Raf can talk more about the ADK that we used from Google.
So the Google ADK is actually really helpful with the infrastructure for the tool calling, especially with the Figma MCP. That was majority of the tool calling we did. We also wanted to take advantage of a take screenshot tool, but we actually realized we can get all of our information using the Figma MCP, so we actually decided to discard the take screenshot tool.
Yeah, so while they were talking, something I've been doing is kind of looking for a comment, oh, it vanished, that it gave me on, on this most recent component, telling me to make the CTA, the call to action button, bigger. So let's see if we can get that comment back, just selecting our context, being, oh my goodness, sorry about that one, guys. Okay, we did get a comment. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. I think because we kind of hit like the end of our page, being like the final CTA and email field, it's probably going to start breaking and recommending things that we don't necessarily need. But looking at this comment, it's telling us that the internal spacing and alignment of elements need to be more consistent. Okay. And we want to make sure this grouping is clearly kind of showing the mission to the user, mission probably being the CTA. So let's kind of see if we can make this, I guess, line up more with this component while making it big enough to like be the main message. and bringing back the plugin, the comment should be replaced with something better. And you're probably telling us we're over time, so I'm just gonna end it now. And let's just-
And we'll take one question from the audience too.
Doesn't it decide not to comment on silicon?
Yes. Yes, it does. Here's an example. There's no comment on this component. There are like a fair few comments, and that's just because I think I chose like a bad component library, so a lot of this is a little ugly. But yeah, like as you can see, there are instances where it doesn't comment.
Okay, thank you, Shipit. And next up is actual code.